and Tobago. Philando wing, number 19. Earl Simpson, number 3. Russian Amos, number 5. Marlon Martin, number 8. Jamar Purcell, number 22. Ajuma Johnson returns to the Arnett Gardens lineup. Where's the number 10? Marlon Allen, number 9. Kimorni Auburn, number 12. Rashiki Kelson, number 7. That's the starting lineup for the home team Arnett Gardens. For Portmore United, they will start with Benjamin Williams, number 40, in goal. CJL Knight, number 7, will captain the Portmore team. Emilio Rosso, number 6. Gawain Austin, number 12. Rudolph Austin, former Reggae Boyz captain, wears the number 17 shirt. Stephen Young, number 4. Howard Aquilio, Howard, number 3. Lamar Walker, number 10. Alex Marshall, 2 recent Reggae Boyz. Tevin Scott, number 9. And Shavani Watt, number 14, completes the Portmore United starting lineup. Portmore looks set to take the kickoff, and they do so now after the whistle of referee Carvel Banton. Alex Marshall early on the play. Portmore spread the ball around on the back line. One Austin Rudolph to Gawain, but now Arnett Gardens win the ball, intercepted there by the Portmore team, but Arnett Gardens back with it. As we see Kelson looking to make the pass, short pass, but picked up by, that was Johnson. Arnett Gardens turn it back to Simpson, Earl Simpson. Amos. Back with Amos into the midfield. Bundle off the ball there was Purcell as Portmore look, but quickly stolen there by the Arnett Gardens team. Martin for Arnett Gardens with the ball. Ball back in the center with Purcell. Simpson to Ezra Simpson now on the ball. Arnett Gardens trying to come out. They're closed in, and so throw to Austin winning there. Purcell winning it back for the Arnett Gardens team. Still Amos trying to bring it out. Kelson loses out to Austin. So Arnett Gardens, Auburn getting the break, but quickly intercepted by Howard. Howard now on the ball looking for support. Finds it in the form of Marshall. Marshall spreads it wide to fouled. No call as the Portmore United player there, Rousseau, loses out. Kelson with it for Arnett Gardens. Kelson's still Kelson in the middle. Finds Martin. Martin sees space and finds it. That was Auburn. He found the man number 10, Juma Johnson, who was taken down. Free kick. Purcell. Amos. Austin, Gawain Austin comes across. Wins it there for the Portmore team, and they get a throw in. Russell. He finds So Hutchinson makes a pass to Simpson. Simpson to Hutchinson. Johnson has support wide in the shape of Kelson, but Kelson unable to take control of it, and so throw again to the Portmore team. The official. Kenny Wright. Simpson back there to Hutchinson. Martin. Still Martin. Wing now with it. Passes it back to Ezra Simpson. He in turn gives to Earl, trying to find a Juma Johnson. And he's tackled from behind, says the referee. And so Gawain Austin giving up a free kick in the center of the field. Arnett Gardens takes it quickly. Amos finds Hutchinson. Picks out Wing. Wing under pressure, loses out. And so the Arnett Gardens team has another free kick, this time in dead center of the field. CJ Knight, the player down for Portmore. Back up. Martin to Wing. Wing have Arborn in support. Arborn loses out, but wins it back. Some skillful play there by Arborn. But Marshall wins it for Portmore. And Portmore wins the free kick. Arborn committing the infringement there. Still goalless here. William Austin. He has seen a lot of the ball so far this afternoon. Stephen Young finds Rudolph Austin. Back to Young. And back to Williams. Puts it inside. Picked up by Amos. Kelson. Walker. Lose it. Quick throw by Arnett Gardens. Jamal Purcell wrapped by Walker. Here now is Marshall. Walker back with it. Still Walker. Going to Rudolph Austin. Young puts it inside. Searching there for Man Emilia Russell, but short and intercepted. And Marshall comes in. Still Marshall. Man Walsh winning a corner for the Portmore team. The first corner of the afternoon. Corner taken to the far post. Rudolph Austin running into the back there of Earl Simpson. Still down. Getting up. Look to be okay. And so Archer Hutchinson makes the pass. Arnett Gardens wing. Simpson back to wing. Looks up. Says it inside. Cut out there by Walsh. Walker to Russell. Back to Gawain Austin. Russell. And that's a goal. The opening goal coming for Portmore United. Number 14, Siobhan Walsh scoring there for Portmore United. A gently back heel past the outstretched arm of Asher. And so Portmore 1, Arnett Gardens 0.
Goal for Portmore United coming in the 10th minute. Goal scorer number 14, Siobhan Walsh. So Portmore United 1. Arnett Gardens 0.
So the opening goal coming after 10 minutes. Siobhan Walsh, the scorer, there for Portmore United as they look to advance here in this the Lynk knockout. Austin to Young. Marshall. Still Marshall finds Walker. Lamar Walker back to Rudolph Austin. He finds Young. And now onto Williams. Lamar Walker. Searching pass cut out there by Wing, but one back there by Scott. But ball now with the Arnett Gardens team. Sloppy pass in there by Martin. Walker with it. Looks and find Russell. Russell back into us. Walker. He loses out to Martin. Martin pass to Johnson. Johnson finds Auburn. And so injured there to Rudolph Austin. So Portmore playing this their second game in this the Lynk Cup for 2022-2023 season. Arnett Gardens making their debut in this newly named competition. And after first 15 minutes, the Homestead trail by a goal to nil. Opening goal scored in the 10th minute. Siobhan Walsh, number 14, the man on target for the Portmore United team. So while Austin goes to the sideline, drop ball is a restart. Knight looking for Scott. Scott still with it. Scott back to Knight. Knight turns, plays it back to Howard puts it across. So it's now pass looking there for Walker. He has support in Russell. Back to Austin Gawain, and now Rudolph. Austin back on the park. Finds Young. Searching pass looking there for Scott. Taken down by Scott. Still Scott. Marshall. Walker with it. Still. And pass inside by Russell. Cut out by the Arnett Gardens defense. Here come Marshall. Still Marshall. Knight to Howard. Out there. Whistle on the play. Free kick to the Portmore team. Lamar Walker with it inside. Finds Young. Young advances. Purcell wins it from Walsh. Looking for Kelson. Kelson beats his man nice. It cuts inside. It's a pass inside. Purcell with a searching pass for Auburn. Cut out by Howard. But ball back with Arnett Gardens. Wing. Still wing. Poor pass there. Cut out by the Portmore team, and now Marshall has it for Portmore. Marshall pushing the back there by Auburn. And a free kick to the Portmore United team. They lead the contest by a 1-0. Austin with it now for Portmore. Finds Gawain Austin. So that's Rudolph to Gawain. Searching pass. But Hutchinson quickly off his line. Wing for Arnett Gardens. Poor pass. Resulting in a throw-in for the Portmore United team. Purcell. Kelson. Martin. Wing. Scott getting on the heels of Wing. Ezra Simpson to Amos. His pass is cut out by Russell, and so Arnett Gardens to the throw. Quickly taken. Russell with it for Portmore. Another throw into the Arnett Gardens team. Marlon Allen there losing out, but here's Purcell winning it back for Arnett Gardens. Amos. Here comes Allen trying to get by Rudolph Austin, but Austin shows his experience and so gives up the first corner for the Arnett Gardens team. Kelson to take the corner kick for Arnett Gardens. In swinger, headed, missed it there by Arnett Gardens. Comes Simpson, plays it inside, finds Arborn. He spreads it wide to Kelson. Kelson floats it in, easily handled by Williams in goal. Benjamin Williams in goal for the Portmore team. Amos for Arnett Gardens. Comes away with it. Still Amos. His pass cut out by Russell. Walker now loses out to Wing, but doing so, Wing a touch too hard, and so it's back to Portmore for their throwing. Emilio Rousseau with the throw. Headed on by Marshall. And the goal scorer Walsh. Ball goes into touch. Purcell. Kelson. By his man Russell. Still hounded by Russell. Loses out to Marshall. Marshall loses it. And Marshall pass behind Walsh. And so Earl Simpson allows it to go into touch. It goes behind for a goal kick to Arnett Gardens. They trail by a goal to nil. Philando Wing to Johnson. Ezra Simpson. Wing. Puts it inside. Johnson looks around. Makes the pass to Amos. Amos inside to Purcell. Purcell with options. Puts it behind Allen. And so that attack by the Arnett Gardens team broken up. Austin. Walker. Gawain Austin. Back to his goalkeeper Williams. Portmore spreads the ball to the other side of the field. Marshall. Still Marshall. Wins it back after the tussle with Martin. Still Marshall. But his pass cut out by Martin. Martin pass inside to Allen. Allen has two for support. Find Arborn. Arborn to Wing. Wing loses out to Howard. And now Scott with it for Portmore. Scott get the return pass, but he's tripped by Ezra Simpson. And so free kick to the Portmore United team as referee Banton calls a halt to the game. And so first water break of the afternoon. Portmore United leads Arnett Gardens by a goal to nil.
Water break. At the break, it's Arnett Gardens nil, Portmore United 1, and we're in the 23rd minute.
Restart, sees Portmore on the attack. Walker, Smith at Scott, tries a snapshot, cleared by the Arnett Gardens defense. As far as midfield, but picked up there by Purcell. Purcell looks, finds Arborn, his heavy touch, but Arnett Gardens wins it back. Amos. Still Amos. Again, his poor pass. Sees CJ Knight winning it for Portmore. Rudolph Austin. Pass, so Walker. Good control there by Walker. Inside to Marshall. Scott. Marshall. Still Marshall. Gets by two. Shoots. And Hutchinson has to be at his best. So Walsh would have been having an easy tap in. William there picking up for the Portmore team, towing that Arnett Gardens attack. Still William. Bowls it long, finds Walsh. Keeps it in. Walsh. To Austin. To the other Austin, Rudolph Austin, the senior pro in the Portmore United team. Cleared there by Walsh. Intercepted by Wing, resulting in a throw-in to the Portmore team. Keelio Howard to take the throw. Looking for Marshall. Make that Scott. Scott brings down Martin for Arnett Gardens, and so a free kick to the Arnett Gardens team. Captain for the day, Earl Simpson, takes it quickly, finds Philando Wing. Marlon Martin sees the ball robbed by Stephen Young, and a throw-in resulting to the Portmore team. Howard looking for Walsh, is possessed by Martin. Amos, his pass is short, cut out by CJ Knight, and so Marsh, in an effort to win it back, Amos commits a foul, and so Portmore United has a free kick just on the left flank, midway their half. Here's Martin now for Arnett Gardens. Fine. Arbor searching pass intended for his young teammate, Rushy Kelson, but held up by the breeze, and so Portmore United comes away with it. Alex Marshall, they're winning. Free kick for the Portmore team. Go in, Austin. Well, he leaves it to Rudolph. Austin finds well taken down there by Howard. But he loses out to wing. Kelson to Johnson. Plays it wide to wing. Back to Kelson. Here's Johnson. Finds Auburn, who is deemed to be in an offside position by the assistant referee, Kenil Wright. So that attack has been broken up. Portmore United with a free kick. Amos keeping the ball in for the Arnett Gardens team. Hutchinson, and he kicks it into touch. Some poor scrappy play from the Arnett Gardens team there. Russell into Walsh. Walsh trying to find Marshall. He's out to Martin. Juma Johnson beaten to the ball by Young. And Martin wins a throw for Arnett Gardens. Johnson to Martin, back to Johnson, finds Auburn. Auburn puts it in. Stop there by Austin, finds Walker. Walker beats Auburn, still Walker dribbling, still Walker, loses out to Purcell. Jackson. Wing. Looking for Martin. Cut out by Rudolph Austin. Here comes Martin. And a brilliant goal there for Marlon Martin. Arnett Gardens with the equalizer. Marlon Martin in the 33rd minute brings Arnett Gardens level. It's Arnett Gardens 1. Portmore United 1.
Marlon Martin, number 8. Replying there for Arnett Gardens in the 33rd minute. Now, Arnett Gardens 1. Portmore United 1.
So, game is back on as the Arnett Gardens pull level. Brilliant strike there for Marlon Martin. But Portmore now back on the attack. Throw into the Portmore team. Marlon. Auburn. Watch. Goal scorer for Portmore on the ball. Sandwich there by 2. Still comes away with it. Marshall. And Scott brought down. No whistle on the play. Kelson. There's Alex Marshall. He loses out. Caution going there to Portmore United, Siobhan Walsh, and the caution coming in the 35th minute.
Caution to Portmore United, number 14, Siobhan Walsh, in the 35th minute.
Scott with it for Portmore, turns it inside to Marshall. Marshall still in the midfield to Walker. Walker finds Russell. Russell looks up, looking for Walsh. Plays, runs past it, and so Asher Hutchinson was able to get it. His pass is hung up by the breeze, and so Walker offside. Make that goal kick to the Arnett Gardens team. Walker unable to keep that ball in, and so goal kick to the Arnett Gardens team. Still 1-1 here in first half action in the 2022-2023 Lynk Cup knockout competition. Martin finds wing to Kelson. Kelson loses it to Alex Marshall. Marshall looking for Walsh. Pass taken away by the Braves, and so Gardens gets a throw. Purcell. Amos. Austin headed out. Marshall turns. Still Marshall finds Walker. Walker looks up, tries to chip, but goalkeeper Asher was aware and saved the day for Arnett Gardens. Both is out to wing. To Simpson. Simpson. That's Earl to Ezra. And back to Earl. Back to goalkeeper Asher. Ezra and Simpson now. Build the way up. Hutchinson to wing. Wing now with space. Dribbles into the Portmore half. Gets it inside to Marlon Allen. His pass cut out. And so pick on the play. And Gardens. Asher comes off this goal line and wins it. Pass it to Marlon Allen. Wing. Martin looking for Kelson. Robbed of it by Howard. All the way to Purcell. Marson again. Cut it inside. And there Johnson tries the shot. Saw his effort blocked. Purcell plays Amos in. Amos back to Purcell. Arnett Gardens on the attack. Arborn. Kimani Arborn. Juma Johnson across the midfield. Looks up, trying to find Kelson. Ball hooked away by Howard. Keelio Howard. What back pass there by Wing. Finds only Scott. Earl Simpson with a good tackle there. Purcell now finds Amos. Amos wide. Still Amos inside to Auburn. Back to Purcell. Juma Johnson. Arnett Gardens appealing for a handled ball. Referee Banton says no. And so results throwing for the Arnett Gardens team. Taken by Wing. Ball back with Wing to Johnson. Simpson, Earl Simpson to Ezra Simpson. Amos. Purcell. Pass cut out there. And now Walker goes away with it for Portmore. Walker inside. Looking for Walsh. Too high. And so ball goes behind. Goal kick to Arnett Gardens. We're inside the 41st minute. Still 1-1 between Arnett Gardens and Portmore United. Arnett Gardens on the ball. Cut out. Amos. Back with it. Puts it inside. Ezra Simpson puts it inside. Only to Lamar Walker. Purcell. To Wing. To Kelson. Kelson beats his man nicely on some space. Kelson running away with it. Still Kelson. Go. No, Stephen Young comes across. And intercepts there for the Portmore team. But it's now with Alex Marshall inside to Austin. One Austin to the next. Rodolph Austin. Emilio Rousseau back to Gawain Austin. And ocean pace for Stephen Young leads it to Austin. Austin looks up. Finds Emilio Rousseau. Rousseau with a cross. Looking ahead and goal. But behind for it. Goal kick to the Arnett Gardens team. Wing with it for Arnett Gardens, comes in. His pass is cut out by Young. Here's Scott for Portmore. Finds Marshall. Marshall brought down by Martin. Free kick. Just on the top of the center circle. Walker looking for Russell. Russell controls. Swings it inside. And Asher takes it off the head of Scott, so to speak. He pulls down to Kelson. Kelson puts it across. Finds Auburn. Auburn back to Amos. Amos turns it all the way back to Ezra Simpson. Simpson back to Amos. Amos to Auburn. Martin. Here, Auburn finds Philando Wing. He plays it gently inside to Johnson. Well won there by Alex Marshall. And now the ball is with Walsh. Walsh shoots just wide of the target. And deflection resulting in a corner kick to the Portmore United team. Their second corner of the contest. For the youngster Howard to punched out there by Asher. So it was Russo with a corner. He swings it again inside, loses it out to Arnett Gardens. Johnson now with for Arnett Gardens finds, was looking for Marlon Allen. Allen now with it for Arnett Gardens. Martin, Allen, Martin. Kelson. Allen. Pass has been on the hit, or probably weak passes held up by the breeze. And so Arnett Gardens throw inside Johnson. Johnson wins it back. Headed clear here by Knight. All wing inside. Cut out by Rudolph Austin. Wing. And decent play there by Wing. Wing inside. Wing look up, cuts it in. Cut out by Stephen Young. But back with Arnett Gardens. Purcell. Effort by Purcell going over the bar. So we're playing stoppage time. 3 minutes of added time to be the first half.
Substitution for Arnett Gardens sees number 16, Kevon McGregor, replacing number 12, Kimani Arbor. So that's number 16, McGregor, in for number 12, Arbor. Substitution, minute 45 plus 1.
So substitution for Arnett Gardens. So Kamani Auburn being replaced by Kevon McGregor. First minute of added time saw the substitution. And so Arnett Gardens back with it, losing it out. Marshall now for Portmore. Marshall tried to get by 2, but brought down by Martin. And so free kick to the Portmore United team. CJ Knight, the captain. Well, he calls across Lamar Walker. So Walker to take the kick for the Portmore United team. One-man wall in Rashid Kelson. Walker over the wall. Headed out by Earl Simpson. Marlon Martin finds Marlon Allen. He headed out by CJ Knight. So throwing to the Portmore team. Without Austin. Well, he leads it to Emilio Rousseau. Rousseau throws it in, looking for Walsh. Walsh with it. Loses it to Jamal Purcell. Newman McGregor. McGregor finds Amos. His pass is cut out. And so the halftime whistle goes from referee Havel Banton. And at the break, it's Arnett Gardens 1. Goal scored by Marlon Martin in the 33rd minute. That was to cut out an earlier strike from Portmore United's number 14, Siobhan Walsh. So it's Arnett Gardens 1, Portmore United 1 at the break.
So the halftime scores sees Arnett Gardens 1, Portmore United 1. For those of you just coming in, Portmore took the lead in the 10th minute. Number 14, Siobhan Walsh, the scorer. Arnett Gardens replied in the 33rd minute. Number 8, Marlon Martin, the scorer. So at the break, Arnett Gardens 1, Portmore United 1.
getting set for the restart of the game. Second half on the way. Arnett Gardens kicking from right to left. Portmore United on the ball. Kevin Scott under pressure and throwing to the Arnett Gardens team to be taken by number 19 Philando Wing. Just joining us, it's Arnett Gardens 1, Portmore United 1. This the round of 16 match in the Lynk Cup knockout competition. First time in years the knockout competition being played here in Jamaica, and the Lynk Cup new competition. Arnett Gardens, Kelson Martin just wide of the target. Martin place the ball, pass. Benjamin Williams in goal for the Portmore United team. Portmore took the lead in the 10th minute through Chevron Walsh, their number 14. But Arnett Gardens bounced back in the 33rd minute with Martin finding the equalizer. So Portmore. Here's Lamar Walker. Walker swings it across, and the goalkeeper Hutchinson quickly off his line, snap it out of the air under pressure from 3 Portmore United player. Earl Simpson back to Hutchinson. He finds wing back to Simpson. So 2 Simpsons in the Arnett Gardens team. Earl Simpson and Ezra Simpson. Earl number 4, Ezra number 3. Hutchinson finds wing looking for Marlon Allen, number 9, but Allen nudge in the back of Stephen Young, and so free kick resulting. Portmore United has 2 Austin in their team. Number 17 Rudolph Austin and his cousin or his nephew, number 12 Gawain Austin. Benjamin Williams finds Gawain Austin. Here's Marlon Allen. Still Allen. Oh, pass over it by Arnett Gardens after getting 3 try against the Portmore team. Benjamin Williams down injured, so Marlon Allen getting the rebound, looks to number 16 Kevon McGregor, but McGregor, his pass inside overhit, and so Portmore come away unscathed. Still 1-1. Young looking for Scott. Still Scott finds Howard. Howard pass. Weak one cut out by the Arnett Gardens team. Here's Purcell. Purcell inside looking for Marlon Allen. Cut out by CGL 9. Rudolph Austin with it, calms it down, plays it to Young, to Howard. Howard finds Scott. Scott unable to control. And Earl Simpson relays it back to his goalkeeper Hutchinson. Philando wing inside looking for Juma Johnson. But sees this pass. Cut out. Wing to Earl Simpson. Jenko chip up to Wing. Wing is taken out by Howard. Akila Howard committed the foul there on Wing. So Arnett Gardens with the free kick, quickly taken. Marlon Allen to Ezra Simpson. Simpson looked wide but plays it back inside to his namesake, Earl Simpson. Simpson back to Kelson. Roshiki Kelson. Kelson plays it back to Simpson. Simpson a long crossfield pass. Looking for McGregor. McGregor would pass. McGregor. First play cut out. Under pressure from Gawain Austin. Unable to keep it in. Austin with a long throw. Cut out by Purcell. So Amos. Marshall finds Scott. Under pressure from two. Still Scott. Plays it back. One back there by Arnett Gardens. McGregor. Purcell. It's inside. Finds Wing. Wing. Puts it wider to Kelson. Kelson to Wing. Wing with some fancy footwork, but loses out to Stephen Young. Howard. Young. Pass there from Watch cut out. Simpson, Ezra Simpson to Amos. Back to Amos. McGregor. Portmore with it now for Austin. Back to Young. Young pass is cut out as Purcell. Martin to Allen. Allen looking for Kelson. Taken away by the breeze. Arnett Gardens look for a quick counter there against the Portmore United team. Without for Austin. Chip pass. Slick there. And the ball just hitting the so the referee awards a corner kick to the Portmore team. Their third corner, first of the second half. Whistle on the play. Call against number 9. Kevin Scott. Hutchinson to Simpson to Wing. Under pressure from Walsh. Wing takes it down the line. Still Wing. Pass cut out there by Howard. Lamar Walker calls for some support. Walsh gives him the support. Walsh to Alex Marshall. Looks up, finds Walsh. Walsh tackled strongly by Martin. Arnett Gardens comes away with it. Juma Johnson, poor pass, goes straight to goalkeeper Williams for Portmore United. But referee Banton stopped the play. The check on the well-being of goal scorer Walsh. He now jogs all the way back upfield to goalkeeper Williams. Restart the game with a drop ball. Williams to Huston. Huston to Knight. Sigel Knight, former captain of Clarendon College, the Costa Cup team. As a matter of fact, 2 former captains of Clarendon College on the field today, as Earl Simpson is also former captain of the Clarendon College team. Both serve under the guidance of Leonard Teacher Hyde there at Clarendon College. Back with the action as Juma Johnson finds Martin. Martin robbed of it. It's Earl Simpson quickly plays it to Amos. Amos to McGregor. McGregor holds up the play as Arnett Gardens Martin in an alley. Looks to be down. Oh, it's Martin, number 8. Down. We're 12 minutes into the second half. And Arnett Gardens, Portmore United, still no gap between both teams. Both teams compete, of course, in the Premier League here in Jamaica, with Portmore United 7th in the standing at the moment. Arnett Gardens atop the standing ahead of Cavalier and Mount Pleasant Football Academy. Portmore just outside the playoff zone in 7th. So both teams getting a midweek fixture in. As they look to advance in this, the Lynk Cup. Referee awaits the exit of Marlon Martin. Does so. Restart the game with a drop ball. Amos loses out. Poor touch. And so Portmore come away with it. Ball cut out there by Philando Wing, but he also has a heavy touch. And so brilliant tackle there, says the referee. And a pass cross from Kelson. So Arnett Gardens comes away. McGregor. Gawain Austin. So 2 players down. Portmore United's has a player down. Well, he's back up on his feet. Arnett Gardens player also back up on his feet. So Portmore United's Shaquan Satchwell, number 18, was the man down. Hutchinson finds it's McGregor. Martin finds Kelson. Kelson shot. Carried down by goalkeeper Williams. So Portmore United making a 46-minute substitution. Emilio Rousseau replaced by Shaquan Satchwell. He replaced number 6 Rudolph Austin. Arnett Gardens wins their first corner of the second half. Only their second corner of the match. Doing so in the 62nd minute. Kelson with a corner. Swings it. In swinger. Comes up to McGregor. Strikes it! Goal! Kevin McGregor scoring there for Arnett Gardens in the 63rd minute. Long range effort from just about 30 yards. Beat him. Williams all ends up and put Arnett Gardens in front. 2-1 after 62 minutes.
Number 16, Devon McGregor, putting Arnett Gardens in front after 63 minutes. Arnett Gardens 2, Portmore United 1.
Knight looking for watch cut out here by Arnett Gardens. Wing. Some gallery football. Finds Simpson. Ezra and Simpson now with it. Amos. Ball back to Amos. Amos looks find the goal scorer there. And so Arnett Gardens on the attack. Marlon Allen tried to get by Young. He's tripped. And so Arnett Gardens in the ascendancy, looking to maintain this lead. But to do so, you'll have to get some attention to Marlon Allen, who is down. We're in the 65th minute. Arnett Gardens 2, Portmore United 1. Marlon Allen slowly, gingerly up to his feet. Ajuma Johnson, the man standing over the ball, about to take the free kick for Arnett Gardens. Two-man wall being formed by the Portmore United team. Arnett Gardens currently down to 10 players as Allen receives some treatment just off the field. Johnson puts it in high, and unable to keep it in is McGregor. So Portmore with a restart. Rudolph Austin to Young, back to Austin, and Austin comes away with it now. Austin still on the ball, under no pressure, chips it, finds Gawain in the left back position. He finds the man Walker, CGL Knight. Austin looking for Howard, weak header, and the ball goes into touch, quickly taken by Howard. Marshall bundle off it by Martin. Martin finds McGregor, so one goal scorer to the other. Amos inside to Purcell. Still Purcell. Still Purcell. Loses out to Walker. And Walker loses out to number 19, Wing. So referee Carvel Banton indicating where the free kick is to be taken. Lamar Walker stands over it. Kick has to be retaken as the referee was instructing Kelson as to the distance to be maintained. Walker once again. Has 5 in the box. Put it in, find Marshall. Marshall with a good control. Marshall turns, but goalkeeper Hutchinson quickly off his line to break up that attack from Portmore. Hutchinson looks up, rolls it to Ezra Simpson. Simpson plays it wide to Amos. Amos cuts it back inside to Simpson. He plays it calmly back to Hutchinson. Hutchinson looks up, drives a pass, looking there for Kelson. Cut out by Young, but only as far as Wing. Wing looking across field to find McGregor. Pass cut out by Gawain Austin. Clearance by goalkeeper Williams. Only to the Arnett Gardens defenders. And a whistle on play as Rudolph Austin gets a knock. So Arnett Gardens is about to make another substitution.
Substitution for Arnett Gardens, Deshaun Plunkett, number 14, replaces number 10, and Juma Johnson. There should be water break. Substitution took place minute 69.
So the substitution there for Arnett Gardens. So number 14, Deshaun Plunkett, coming in for number 10, Ajuma Johnson. The substitution took place in the 69th minute. So in the water break, Arnett Gardens 2, Portmore United 1. So the restart was interrupted by the Arnett Gardens team, and another free kick to Portmore United, quickly taken by Rudolph Austin. As Howard beats his man, puts it inside. Handled ball there by Tevin Scott. And so Portmore United sees their chances going a bay. Number 21 for Portmore United, Jaheim Fraser. And number 16, so Jaheim Fraser goes in, so to the number 16 for Portmore United. We don't have him on the match card. Number 16 listed on the match card here, provided by the Portmore United team, but they make a double substitution. Number 3, Akila Howard is the man taken out as Portmore United launches their attack, but cut out by Wing. Wing looks for pass inside. Austin wins it and loses it for Portmore. Austin commits the foul, and the caution issued to Portmore United's number 17, Rudolph Austin. Substitution in the 71st minute. Caution to Austin in the 72nd minute.
72nd minute caution issued to Rudolph Austin, number 17, Portmore United.
So, restart to be taken by Ezra Simpson from Arnett Gardens. He floats it wide. Going Austin headed only as far as Martin. Here comes McGregor. Amos floats it in, looking for Allen. Allen, goalkeeper Williams cuts it out. Trying to find man there, Walsh, but Arnett Gardens comes away with it. McGregor trying to get by Austin, Gawain Austin. Inside Martin, rules it out. Ball inside. Philando Wing allows the ball to run through to his goalkeeper, Asher Hutchinson. Portmore United took out number 3, Akilio Howard, and number 9, Tevin Scott. Shot one taken down there by the Arnett Gardens player. So Portmore United wins a free kick. Shotgun. Satchwell. Pass cut out. Satchwell still with it. Finds Austin. That's Gawain to Rudolph. Rudolph searching pass. Finds the man Fraser. He is unable to keep it in. Portmore the trail. Watch. Trying to return pass with a header to Fraser. Ball goes into touch. Throw to Arnett Gardens. Wing. Finds number 7 there. Kelson. Throw to Arnett Gardens. They look to maintain and increase their score, their advantage here at the Arnett Gardens complex, or the Tony Sparling Sports Complex. Long pass by Knight. Finds the substitute. He plays it inside to Satchwell. Satchwell back to Knight. Knight to Fraser. Fraser inside. And goal! Brilliant goal there for the Portmore United team. Goal scorer, number 11, Alex Marshall. Uncontested. The 76th minute as Portmore draw level. 2-2 with Arnett Gardens.
Number 11, Alex Marshall, putting Portmore United level after 76 minutes. Portmore United 2, Arnett Gardens 2.
Wing for Arnett Gardens. Lose it out to Fraser. Fraser pass inside, intended for Marshall, cut out as Purcell. His pass cut out. So it's now Lamar Walker. Still Walker. Plays it all the way back to Rudolph Austin. Throw to Portmore. Young. Fraser inside to Satchwell. Marshall with a quick throw finds Lamar Walker. Walker bounds off it, and Portmore with the goal has some spur in their step, and so play call back by the referee as the ball was deemed to be in motion when the kick was taken. But yep, the kick was not taken as the ball was in motion. Portmore United 2, Arnett Gardens 2. Portmore finding the equalizer a few minutes ago, 76 minutes to be exact. Alex Marshall, number 11, the goal scorer. Lamar Walker. Jaheim Fraser leaves it. Walker with the free kick, floats it inside, headed out by Earl Simpson. Ball comes to Kelson. Kelson finds Amos. Amos dribbles out. Portmore United quickly take control. Martin wins it for Arnett Gardens. Arnett Gardens with it. Martin. Still Martin to pass inside. Allen. Oh. And turned out by goalkeeper Williams. Marlon Allen with a strike. But goalkeeper Williams onto it. And Arnett Gardens with their third corner of the game. Rashik Kelson floated it inside, and another corner as Earl Simpson's header was deflected wide of the target. So Arnett Gardens try once more. Kelson floats it inside, Simpson again, but this time Williams hangs on to it, pulls it out, looking for Walker, headed out there by Amos. McGregor looks inside. Simpson, and the striker there, Plunkett, finds the ball under his feet. Portmore United on the ascendancy in midfield, but Purcell wins it for Arnett Gardens. Find Allen with it, looking for Plunkett. So here, Walker, still Walker, hounded by Amos. Amos wins it, finds Allen to Plunkett. Plunkett finds Allen once again. Still Allen. And he's brought down just outside the area by Gawain Austin. And so Arnett Gardens just about 3 yards outside the penalty area on their right side. Philando Wing, Rashid Kelson, both standing over the ball. Skipper Earl Simpson makes his way into the box. Ezra Simpson also there at the back post. The short Plunkett. Kelson looked to be the man taking the kick. And that ball came back off the post, beating each and every one inside the area. And so Portmore United, Williams beaten, but the crossbar came into play and denies Arnett Gardens the chance. Kelson took that free kick, and so Portmore United getting a chance to take the throw instead of restarting with a center spot kick. Ball in the center of the field. Marlon Allen heads it to himself. Poor pass there by Allen. Ball to Plunkett. And McGregor is taken down while the ball was played off him. And so Portmore United to restart with the throw. Gawain Austin. Portmore number 16 goes down. Still yet to get his name. Amos, the man committing the foul. And so free kick to Portmore United. Ball in the center of the field to Rudolph Austin. Finds the pass. Finds Fraser. Fraser to Marshall. Marshall looking back for Fraser. Ball goes behind. Referee signals a corner kick. So second corner kick for the Portmore United team in this half. Goal kick taken by Hutchinson, but he only succeeds in playing it. All right. Marshall gets away from his man, finds Satchwell. Satchwell to Knight. Knight straight it inside to Walker. Looks up, shoot, and Asher with the save for Arnett Gardens. So Lamar Walker getting a clear start and goal. Kelson now restarts for Arnett Gardens. Finds the Sean Plunkett. Kelson pass there intended for Allen, cut out by Rudolph Austin. Substitution for the Portmore United team. Number 13, McCoy Gale. Getting in for number 10, Lamar Walker.
"87-minute substitution there for Portmore. Number 13, McCoy Gale, replacing number 10, Lamar Walker. Portmore United 2, Arnett Gardens 2.
Kelson for Arnett Gardens. Kelson better Fraser off. And Fraser gives up a corner for the Arnett Gardens team. They're fourth of the half. Fifth corner overall for the Arnett Gardens team. Kelson once again to take the corner kick for the Arnett Gardens team. 2-2 here with just about 2 minutes in normal time remaining. Ezra Simpson losing it there to Welch. Welch finds his shot blocked by Simpson. Ball rebounds to goalkeeper William as Portmore United rebuild from the back. Rudolph Austin, man with a timely inception just about 2-3 minutes ago to save the day for Portmore. Satchwell loses out to Arnett Gardens. McGregor wants a throw. Gawain Austin playing in the left fullback position for Portmore team. Take the throw to find CJ Knight. Satchwell puts it inside all the way across to Fraser. Fraser, Jaheim Fraser has one to be, puts it across. Corner to the Portmore United team. Also their fifth of the contest, but the third of the second half. Should be heading into just about 4 minutes of added time to the second half. Should it remain as it, we go into 30 minutes of extra time, 15 minutes each half. Here comes Portmore United. Gale finds Fraser inside to Marshall. Marshall still, and Marshall is taken down by Martin. Free kick to Portmore.
Both officials indicate 4 minutes to be added to the second half.
Arnett Gardens looking to make a substitution. Marlon Allen, number 9, being replaced by number 11, Kaim Dixon. Rudolph Austin there with the free kick for the Portmore United team, sailed high and wide over the goal.
Substitution for Arnett Gardens, saw number 11, Kaim Dixon, replacing number 9, Marlon Allen. That substitution took place minute 90 plus 1. So the game has been restarted. Goalkeeper Hutchinson passing to Ezra Simpson, who passed it to Earl Simpson. Rashid Kelson now with it for the Arnett Gardens team. Simpson looks up as Dixon, the new man in for Arnett Gardens, loses out, throwing to Portmore. Fraser leaves the ball to Gawain Austin. Austin so find the other for Arnett Gardens player. Marshall, still Marshall, looking for Satchwell. Fraser puts it across. Satchwell is it that takes it down. And a penalty awarded to the Portmore United team, and a yellow card issued to number 5, Rashawn Amos. Portmore United winning a penalty in the added time. So minute 90 plus 5 penalty awarded to Portmore United. Portmore should win it from here. Should Siobhan Walsh convert this penalty. Yellow card issued there to Rashawn Amos, minute 90 plus 5.
This should be the last kick of the game. It should be a Portmore United goal and a Portmore United victory. But you still have Siobhan Walsh to convert, to make all of that possible. Walsh steps up, shoot, and scores! Portmore United goes ahead. Minute 90 plus 6. Portmore United 3. Arnett Gardens 2. Portmore United should advance courtesy of that penalty from number 14, Siobhan Walsh. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2.
Siobhan Walsh converted in minute 90 plus 6 to put Portmore ahead by 3 goals to 2. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2. And that's the final whistle. Portmore United advance 3-2 after getting the better of Arnett Gardens in this, the Lynk Cup knockout competition. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2.
So Portmore United advancing there to get the better, after getting the better of Arnett Gardens, courtesy of a 90 plus 6 minute penalty from Siobhan Walsh. Portmore United 3, Arnett Gardens 2, the final score.